Hey guys, you know what? A couple of episodes back I said if I got this thing insulated and it was still cold, I was going to take that as a challenge to stay out all night in it just to see whether or not I was going to have to install the big heater or if the little heater would be fine. So, guess what? I'm going to stay the night. Tonight in the camper. Right now it's 42 degrees. It's supposed to get down to about 34. And we'll see how it does. So maybe I'll update you in a little bit, maybe not. But for right now, you know what? It's all good. And I'm just fine. So here we go. Let's see how it does. It's Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. Hello guys, I just thought I'd give you a really quick update on how things are going. It's going good. All I've got going is that little heater right there. I got my pallet made back there in the back. I got some other things. I've got me a laptop in here. I'm just gonna probably bed down here pretty quick. Call it good. It's nice and comfortable. It's about, I don't know, probably 40 degrees at this point. And not bad. Heater just kicked on. It's the first time it's kicked on since I've been in here. So, here we go. Alright, quick update. Not much has changed. It's almost midnight. I don't know what the temperature is, but inside it's about the same, and I'm fixing to call it a night. I'm tired. So, I will get back with you. I don't think I'm going to have to add the big heater in here. I think just a little milk crate heater of some sort is going to do just fine. I'll see y'all in the morning. Night. Well guys, the sun has come up. And I have gotten out of bed and got inside and gotten dressed and showered and all that. And you know what? It wasn't that bad. That little heater did just fine. So, I'm going to put the big heater in. Alright, that was the challenge and I did it. Although I didn't sleep well. I'll catch you later. Bye.